Okay, here at the hangar, just put some fuel in the wing. Okay, I just put some fuel in the wing, the port side, and it seems to be holding. Got it capped off, put about 3 gallons in. Pulled the strainer. We do have the mod. This 150 has a mod for the lowest point in the system. And here it is right here. So pulled that, or I'm sorry, I think this is the mod. This is the belly mod. And I have to pull some from there. So anyway, it's holding fuel in the port side tank, and put the plugs in. Gonna see if the AI wants to come out, torque it up, and maybe we'll static fire it. All right, Gary, thank you so much for helping out. How do you feel today?
Excited by the opportunity to take the maiden crank on this aircraft.
Thank you. All right, so here we go. We're clear prop. I've got the fire extinguisher. We're ready when you are.
The battery is connected. Battery's connected. Master's on. Mixture's full rich. Throttle's open a quarter. Go to both. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Cranking number 1. Try again?
Yes, sir.
I'll give it another couple of pumps on the throttle.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think because it's not primed.
Just seemed like it was running rough. I don't really think.
Yeah, it was pop. It was sounding like it popping. Okay, so the engine ran for about 4 or 5 minutes. It's about 15-20 minutes later. I'm going ahead and draining it from our quick oil drain port with a little extender. It does look, the oil looks pretty bad. I have to say it's pretty, I got a sample probably after the first minute and a half of flow. And so anyway, just gonna let it drain out and add new fresh oil after the run up.